How's everyone doing? Thanks for joining me on my small engine repair channel. Today's project is this Yardmachines made by MTD two-stage snowblower, 30-inch cut. It's got a looks like a power mower. Yep, power mower, 357cc overhead valve engine. Pretty big engine for this machine. And the problem that the customer is having with it is the augers won't turn. So let's take a look at it and see if we can't get it fixed up for him. All right, so when the customer called me today during this big snowstorm, he said that all of a sudden it would stop. It stopped working. He said he was working on a gravel driveway and it was picking up and throwing a lot of gravel. So initially my thought process was maybe he got something jammed in here, some rocks or gravel, and maybe he blew out a couple of these pins, shear pins. But after he dropped them off and I'm taking a look at them, they're all actually in half decent shape. You've got actually 6 different augers, so he's got 6 different pins. So to me that wouldn't make any sense. If some of the auger blades weren't working, then yes, maybe that shear pin blew out, but that is not the problem. So the next thought I had was maybe he blew out a belt. And so I took the belt cover off. Here's your belt for your auger. All right, and this is the drive shaft coming off the engine. He did say that it was smoking, so I thought, okay, maybe it's a blown out belt. But as you can see, actually the belt is in half decent shape, and it's not, you know, the belt didn't come off the pulley, and the belt itself looks like it's in okay shape, although I can only see part of it. So my last thought process is take a look in here in the back where the impeller is. Look at how much snow is jammed up in there. So what I think is going on here is this whole bottom of this impeller housing is actually caked with snow and ice. Well, it's actually just snow. It's not ice at all. So something's going on to cause this, I think, impeller to not spin. So we're going to have to go ahead and get into this a little bit deeper, I think, because this impeller is completely jammed up. All right, guys, so I'm back. What I did was I went in, had some supper, but while I had some supper, I actually put some heat on this snow blower and trying to get out all of the ice and snow that was in this impeller area. And wouldn't you know, take a look what I found. So right there is a rock that is jammed between the impeller housing and the impeller itself. So that is jammed in there tight. So I'm gonna probably just a little finicky here. Not a lot of space. There we go. All right. Now we got some free movement of the impeller, and I think we're going to be in business. You can see the pulley down here that's actually rotating when I rotate the crankshaft. Oh yeah, beautiful. So that was definitely our issue. What I want to do now is just double check this belt as well. All right, I think we're gold. All right, that's good. And it's transferring to the impellers. The only other thing I'm going to do for this customer is, you can see that this these impellers are bent. Okay, it's supposed to look like this guy. All right, they're not supposed to line up, and these two are lined up. So I'm going to just bend this one impeller over a little bit more, make it look like this. But there you go, guys. Easy fix on this one. Just I've seen ice jammed up in here and caused that problem as well, so that's why I thought what it was initially. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed the content. This was an easy one, but it could happen to you as well, especially if you're dealing with a bunch of rocks. I'm going to lift up or adjust the scraper bar by adjusting the skid shoes on the side. I do have a video on that, on how to adjust this properly, and I'm going to move it up for him just a little bit so it's not scraping so much rocks and throwing so many rocks and have this happen again. So anyways, guys, thanks again. Go ahead and smash the like button if you enjoyed the content. And if you're not already a subscriber, please consider doing so. It really helps me out on the channel. So till our next project, guys, take care.